For this week's Smart Money Monday, you might notice we are at a new location. This is the Ward location. It moved from the Ward Plaza to the Hokua Tower. And we're talking about insurance with the branch manager, Michael Lambertini. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. I wanted to talk about insurance because a lot of times you think, oh, I don't need it, and then suddenly it's too late. And this could really be a huge burden on you financially, right?
Yeah, when an emergency happens, having the right type of coverage and the appropriate amount can really make the difference between financial hardship and staying on track with your financial goals.
All right, so what types of insurance are we talking about here?
If you think about everyday type of insurance, you're talking about homeowners insurance, auto insurance, medical, even things like life and long-term care.
So how do you know which insurance to get for yourself? Because I think I have car insurance, I have medical insurance. What else do you really need?
Insurance coverage is just that's personal, right? It just really depends on what you have. So obviously if you don't have a car, probably not going to need auto insurance or anything like that, but most everyone needs some sort of medical insurance just to prevent things from happening in the future. And then things like life insurance, those are really, really hot topics right now.
And so this is true for people who are just coming out of college, right?
Yes. So once you start, right after college, you want to just kind of evaluate, if you're married and if you have kids, you may want to take a look at life insurance a little bit more prudently. Auto insurance is something that, you may want to have right off the bat. It's not uncommon that we hear people forego auto insurance and then an accident happens and they're out big time for costs that they wouldn't expect.
When you're looking at different insurance policies, how do you know when enough is enough? Because there's always that deductible versus the amount of coverage.
Yeah, again, it is very personal about what you can possibly afford. So, higher deductibles may mean lower premiums, and that may be more affordable for you and your family. But it's important that you discuss it with a licensed professional, and they can discuss the options that makes the most sense for you.
Okay, so we talked about college grads, we talked about adults and parents. What about if you're about to retire? Should you still be looking at other types of insurance?
Yeah, one of the most popular types of insurance that we're looking at now is long-term care insurance. That's to be able to provide insurance for you in the event that you need assisted living, which can be quite costly nowadays. So long-term care is something that, is in addition to life, in addition to, work and disability. It's in the event that, you need to go into an assisted care situation, and that insurance can help provide coverage for you.
Okay, so Bank of Hawaii is not an insurance company, but you can still help, right? Make referrals?
Correct. So we have licensed professionals on staff that will be able to help make appropriate recommendations and put you in contact with the appropriate insurance providers, so that way you can get the coverage that you need.
All right, you guys, think smart. Get insurance before it's too late. I want to say thank you to branch manager Michael Lambertini for joining us this week. And that is your Smart Money Monday.